Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can easily scrape business information like email address, phone number, website URL, social media profile from yellowpage.com. So guys, let's dive in. Guys, let we choose plumber niche. I choose a location New York and click find. Guys, you can easily see they provide plumber industry information of this page. They provide 1592 listing, and this page they provide only 30 listing of this page. But now guys, we can show you how you can easily scrape Yellow Page business information. Guys, at first we need to a software. That software you can easily scrape your business information from Yellow Page. You can easily find this software link in my description box. So guys, at first you need to install this software. After install this software, you can see this page. You can start scraping now, or you can click scrape now and click start scraping now. Guys, they provide two scraping mode. Scraping mode 2, you can paste your page URL, and scraping mode 1, you can select your site. Suppose if you want choose USA URL page, you can choose USA, or if you want to choose another country URL page like Canada, UK, Germany, Switzerland, Australia, whatever you want, you can choose your country site. Right now I choose URL page on USA. Now you can edit your keyword. Guys, if you want to edit more keyword, after added one keyword you put semicolon, then added another keyword. I add my keyword. Guys, if I choose another keyword, I put a semicolon, then added another keyword like dentist. But right now I don't choose more keyword, I choose only one. Now I added my location. There is the same thing. If you want to edit more location, you can just put your one location and after semicolon and then space, then you can edit your another location. But right now I added only one location. There is my location is New York. They provide additional features. Enable website crawling for additional data. After enable this website crowd, this will escape more information from website like social media profile on website this too. And you must click this box. If I click this box, they provide email address from Yellow Page profile. So guys, you must click location. Now we click start button, and guys, they provide plumber information just a few minutes. They provide 30 listing from Yellow Page of first page. They provide person name, category, URL, address, phone number, email, website URL, business year, email website, phone website, Facebook URL, Twitter URL, Instagram profile link. Now we can easily scrape all data on our computer. You can just export CSV or you can export Excel. I click export CSV and type anything like guys, our file is already export. Now you can see, you can easily see your business profile name. They provide Yellow Page profile URL. They also provide address, phone number and email address. They also provide website URL. They provide email from person website. They also provide phone number, Facebook profile link, Twitter profile link and Instagram profile link. Guys, the best features of this software is email website. When they scrape person website, they find person website email address, and they also provide Yellow Page email address. This is the amazing features of this software. But guys, when you use this software free plan, you can only scrape first page from Yellow Page and you can search only one city. But guys, they provide lifetime deal. They provide 5 pricing plan. When you choose plan 1, you will pay $85 just for one time lifetime deal. All features above included. You can access software only one computer. Scrape unlimited data, no limit from partner. Start your leads list with the local business leads. You can also get email, phone and social media leads for their business. Also crawl your business website for the most up-to-date data. When you choose plan 2, you will pay $170 one-time purchase. This plan they included access to computer. When you choose plan 3, you will pay $255. At that plan, you get access to computer. If you want to choose 4 code, you will pay $340 one-time purchase and use for computer. When you choose 5 codes, you will pay $425 one-time purchase lifetime discount. You can access 5 computers computer. Guys, this software is one-time payment, lifetime deal. You can easily get 84% discount. Guys, you can easily purchase this software in my description box and easily get lifetime discount. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. See you in the next video, guys.